This isn't the Porto Servo you remember. Temerario has taken its exotic supercar and launched it into the future with the 2026 model, creating a futuristic beast that blends extreme performance, cutting-edge technology, and daring design. The 2050 Temerario Porto Servo 2026 supercar concept radiates aggressive elegance and futuristic flair. At the front, holographic LED headlights float above a sculpted aerodynamic nose, while a glowing Temerario emblem beams from the ultra-low grille. The body, painted in fiery magma red, shimmers under showroom lights like liquid fire. Sleek lines, sharp angles, and aggressive sculpting make it appear ready to leap off the track at any moment. From the rear, the taillights extend in a claw-like neon pattern, with a floating Temerario badge embedded into the rear glass. The diffuser, integrated spoiler, and sculpted rear bumper give the supercar a planted, track-ready stance that screams cyber speed. From the side, the Porto Servo's aerodynamic silhouette is extreme and low to the ground. Hidden gull-wing doors open vertically like wings. Sculpted side air intakes enhance airflow, and glowing wheel hubs amplify its kinetic energy. The fiery magma red body, combined with black neon trim, creates a high-tech Predator aesthetic. Inside, the cabin is a futuristic racing lounge. Black and red leather wrap sculpted heats and panels, while floating holographic displays, ambient neon lighting, and a fully digital dash create an advanced control hub. The steering wheel glows with the Temerario emblem, making the interior feel like a high-tech cockpit straight from the future. Under the hood, the 2050 Porto Servo 2026 houses an all-electric quad-motor system with transparent covers and glowing energy conduits. Compact, yet insanely powerful, it delivers supercar performance with a futuristic edge. Put it all together, and the 2050 Temerario Porto Servo 2026 is a futuristic supercar that dominates attention. With its fiery magma red paint, glowing accents, sharp angles, and next-gen technology, this Porto Servo is ready to redefine the streets and tracks of tomorrow.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities, where you can direct a voice,